Welcome to DNXT. We are discussing Class A subnetting, and in Class A, in this series, today we are going to discuss slash 25. So, slash 25 means there are 25 bits that are assigned to your network, and remaining 7 bits are of your host. Now, out of 25 bits, 8 bits are your default network bits because we are talking about class A, and remaining 8 plus 8 plus 1, that means 17 bits are of your sub network. So these are your sub network bits and 7 bits are of the host bits. So how many sub networks we will get? So we will get 2 to the power 17 sub network. That comes out as 1,31,072. So by borrowing 17 bit, we are slicing up, we are breaking up our major network into 1,31,072 sub networks. How many hosts per sub network we will get? That is according to our host bit, that are only 7. So we have only 7 host bits over here. So 2 to the power 7 is 128. So 128 minus 2 is 126. So 126 subnet host per subnetwork you will get in slash 25. What will be the increment since we have borrowed bits from 1, 2 and 3 octets, means second octet, third octet and one bit of the fourth octet. So there will be increment in all these octets, and as we have discussed in earlier videos that we start incrementing from extreme right. For example, if we have borrowed only the bits from only these two octets, then in slash 17, 18, we have discussed that we will first do increment in the third octet followed by second octet. Now what we are going to do over here, we'll first do increment in this octet, then this octet, and then this octet. Okay, so increment of 1 will be there in the second octet. In the increment of 1 again will be there. Why? Because 256 minus 255. So increment of 1. Again increment of 1 in the third octet. And in fourth octet it will be 256 minus 128. That is 128. Okay, so let's write down few of the subnetwork. There are more than 1 lakh subnetworks over here, but let's see how they are formed. 10.0.0.0 slash 25, increment of 128 first of all in the fourth octet. We'll go from right to left while incrementing. 10.0.0.128. Now if you add 128 over here once again, it will become 256, which is not a valid number. So what we will do, we'll do increment in third octet. Okay, again 1.128, 2.0, 2.128, 3.0. This will go on till you will reach 10.0.255.128. Now if you add 128 over here, it will become 256. So you cannot do increment in the fourth octet. Now if you add 1, since there is an increment of only 1 in the third octet, if you add 1 over here, again it will become 256. So increment in this octet is also not possible, and in this case you have to do increment in the second octet. So the next subnetwork will be 10.1.0.0, 10.1.0.128, 10.1.1.0. This last two octet will go on repeating again when you get 10.1.255.128. Next what you will do? You will do 10.2.0.0.128. 0 dot 0. Okay, this for 2 dot, again last two octet will go on repeating themselves, then 3 dot 0 dot 0 till you reach 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 128. These are all different sub networks that we are writing. Total sub networks we are going to get is 1,31,072. Okay, let's write down their broadcast ID. Here the broadcast ID will be 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 127. Right? First valid host will be 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 1 and last valid host will be 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 126. So from 1 to 126 you will get 126 valid IP addresses. Okay, here what will be the broadcast ID? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 255. So from 129 to 254 you will get valid IP addresses. Okay. Here what will be the broadcast ID? 10 dot 0 dot 255 dot 255. Okay. Same 10 dot 1 dot 255 dot 255. And what will be the broadcast ID of the last subnetwork? 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. Okay, if you have not seen previous videos, please go through them so this will become easy. This is all about slash 25. We'll be discussing slash 26 in the next video. So stay tuned with DNXT. Thank you.